Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to deploy a website on Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. To deploy a website on Hostinger, first of all we need to log into the Hostinger H panel. Now here we will see the hosting tab. Under it we will see our hosting plan. Click on manage next to your web hosting plan. Now click on file manager from here. Click on public_HTML. If your web hosting is new, then here you will see no files or folders. As I am running multiple websites on this web hosting, that's why we are seeing a lot of folders and files here. But right now we are going to create a new folder and add our website there. So click on new folder. We are going to add a name. Click on create and here is our folder. So now we are going to add our files here. So these are all the files of our websites. So we are going to add all the files in one zip file and then upload the file. So we are going to select all the files from here, right click on it and then click on WinRAR and then click on add to archive. Select zip from here and then click on OK. So all the files are selected. So now we are going to upload this one zip file from here. So we'll go back to Hostinger H panel, click on upload from here, select file. And this is the zip file that we've just created. So we will select the zip file and then click on open. So our file is now uploaded. So now we are going to extract it. Just right click on it and then click on extract. Create a new folder to extract. So this is our folder where we have extracted our zip file. So we are going to open it and here are all the files. So now we will select all the files. Just press Ctrl A from your keyboard, right click on them and then click on move file from here. So currently our path is public_HTML/deploy/new. So we are going to move these files to deploy folder. So we are going to double click on this folder icon. So our path is now changed. So now we are going to click on move. So now if I go to my domain, and here we will see our website that we have just uploaded. So this is the website that we have just deployed to Hostinger. So this is how you can deploy your website on Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.